In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to Robinhood without using Plaid. This is a straightforward process, ideal for those who prefer an alternative way of connecting their bank for trading without the need to use Plaid. Let's ensure you have your bank details handy, and we'll get started right away. First, let's head over to Robinhood's official website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Robinhood's homepage. It's important to get familiar with the official site to avoid any phishing scams and ensure you're in the right place for safe and secure transactions. Once you're on the site, you'll want to look for the Login button. It's usually prominently written, making it easy to access your account. After selecting Login, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. This is standard for accessing your investments and personal information securely. If you encounter any issues logging in, be sure to reset your password or contact Robinhood support for assistance. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your home page, which shows all your current investments and account balance. Now, from your account home, you need to navigate to the Account section on Robinhood's menu. It's the hub for managing everything about your investment profile. From here, click on Profile, where you can find personal settings and update them as necessary. This step gives you the control to manage your information and also leads us to where we can link your bank account. Next, click on Settings. Here, you will find all options pertaining to your account configurations. It's like the control room for your investments, where you can change preferences and secure your account. Within the Settings menu, look for the Transfer section, which is specifically designed for handling your financial transfers and managing linked banks. After selecting Transfer, you should see an option labeled Linked Accounts. This section is crucial as it lists all banks linked to your Robinhood account. To add a new account without using Plaid, select this option. Follow Robinhood's on-screen prompts to manually enter your bank routing and account numbers. Make sure you double-check these numbers for accuracy to avoid any errors. Once you've entered all your details, confirm the information, and your bank account should now be added to your Robinhood profile. You now have the flexibility to transfer funds directly, allowing you to engage seamlessly in your trading activities. That's all for setting up your bank account on Robinhood without using Plaid. Remember to keep your account details secure, and if you have any issues, Robinhood support is just a click away. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.